Alright, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, what it is, why you should do it, and how to become an affiliate marketer yourself. So first things first, what is affiliate marketing? Well, simply put, it's when someone who is affiliated with a company or brand earns a commission for every sale they bring into the company. And these sales are tracked by using a custom affiliate link that is assigned to each affiliate. So for example, I run an education company called Fast Track Photography, and I offer an affiliate program to my students where they can promote my product to other people, and if they can bring sales into the company, I offer a commission for each sale that they bring in. So the actual commission an affiliate will earn for bringing in a sale will vary from business to business, but for my company, we offer our affiliates $100 per sale they bring in. So just by recommending other people's products or services, you can start a nice little side hustle with not much effort. And as you grow as a creator, the more you'll get asked about the gear and softwares you use and recommend. So I highly suggest becoming an affiliate for some of these brands so that you can earn a commission for your recommendations. So most companies will offer these affiliate programs on their websites, but sometimes you may have to contact a brand directly. So the two main affiliate programs that I suggest all creators to sign up for is the Amazon affiliate program and the Adobe Creative Cloud affiliate program. So these two programs will cover majority of your recommendations and they don't take too long to set up. I also recommend using kit.co to host your recommendations because it will allow you to have all your affiliate links in one place, instead of sending individual links for every single product you recommend. Also, another big bonus for using kit.co is that they actually generate your affiliate links for you, making the whole process quick and easy. So I've left links to these sign up pages below, and later in this video, I will be running through how to properly set these up, so definitely stick around for that. But now, how do we generate sales after we've set up our affiliate accounts? So number one is a no-brainer, but share your recommendations through your social media accounts. So this could be by making gear reviews or comparison videos and posting them onto Instagram or YouTube. Another great way is to comment in Facebook groups or on Reddit, because there are many Facebook groups and Reddit threads designed for beginner photographers and videographers who are wanting to know what the best gear is. Just a warning though, if you are going to try this technique, try not to come off as too salesy and really recommend gear that you think will actually benefit them. Another great way to generate sales is to create a what's in my camera bag blog post or YouTube video. So personally, this has been one of the best ways for me to earn some commissions, and it's something I recommend all creators to try out. I've also created a gear tab on my website that takes people to my own kit.co site, and it's here that they can see all the different types of gear I use and recommend. So personally, I make around $500 a month just from affiliate marketing, but I know many creators who spend a lot more time and effort on it than I do, and they are making more towards $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So as you can see, becoming an affiliate for other people's products is a great way to increase your revenue streams as a creator. So make sure to sign up for some affiliate programs before you start recommending gear or softwares. But now let's quickly run through a quick demonstration on how to set up an Amazon affiliate account and how to create our first kit on kit.co. So you're going to type in Amazon affiliate in the web browser, hit enter, and it'll be the first link here. Next, hit this join now for free button, and here we will log into our Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, pause the video and quickly make one. I've left links to all the sign up pages below. Now once we're logged in, we are just going to fill in all the information required in these steps here. So everything is pretty straightforward, and I'm not going to waste your time going through it all. So once you have created your affiliate account, we are going to open another tab and type in kit.co. So once here, we're going to click this sign up button here to create an account. And I personally sign up using my email, so I just click the email button here, but you can use your Facebook or Twitter account. Okay, now once we have created our account, we need to link up our Amazon affiliate account with our kit.co account. So to do this, we're going to click our profile photo here, then select the edit profile tab from this drop down menu. Next, we're going to click the monetize tab here, and we can now see all the different affiliate accounts that we can connect. So for this example, we are linking our Amazon account. So click this drop down arrow here, and here we can see all the different countries that Amazon offer this affiliate program. So personally, I have affiliate accounts for the UK, US, Australia, and Japan Amazon sites because that's where the majority of my students and viewers are based. So depending on where your audience is located, I'd suggest making an affiliate account for those specific Amazon sites. Now, all we need to do to link our accounts is to copy and paste our Amazon affiliate ID, which you should have received when you signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now, once that is set properly, every time you make a new kit, kit.co will automatically generate your affiliate links, making this whole process so much easier. Alright, so now with that set up, let's quickly run through how to make our first kit. So if we just click this green plus icon here, then select create a new kit, we can then name this kit to whatever you'd like. So for this example, I'm just going to call it What's in My Camera Bag 2021. Under that, we can put a small description, but for this example, I'll just leave it blank, then hit next. And now we can just search for any product we want to recommend. So let's just say the Sony a7 III. Then here we have all the options Amazon has to offer. And to add this to our kit, all we need to do is hit the plus icon, and here we can write a description about the product if we like. Next, we're going to click the add to kit button here, and boom, just like that, kit.co has generated our affiliate link, and this product has been added to our kit. So now we can just repeat this process until our kit is fully completed, and then we can hit this close button here. So now if we want to check out our kit or make any edits, we can click this profile photo, then select view profile, and here we can see the kit we just created. So now if I select it, we can see all of the products we just created. So now if someone sees this kit and thinks, oh, that's a nice camera, and then they click this button here, this will take them to the Amazon page, and here you can see my affiliate tag is in the link. So now if they make a purchase through this link, I'll receive a commission on the sale. Alright, there we have it. That is Affiliate Marketing 101 and how to properly set up our Amazon and kit.co accounts. Again, there are so many different affiliate programs out there, so before you go out and recommend products and services, I highly suggest signing up for their affiliate programs so that you can make some commissions for the sales you bring in. Now with that being said, I'm currently running a free photography training where I break down my top tips to capturing professional looking photos, plus the 5 key steps I took to making over 6 figures a year as a full-time photographer. This is 100% free, and you can hit the link in the description below to register if you're interested. Also, I'll be posting a bunch of new videos to this channel, so if you want to stay up to date with all the new content coming, hit the like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll catch you next week.